stormy weather's heading for the eastern states early next week after a relatively warm and generally settled weekend. The satellite picture shows a cold front heading for southwestern WA and also some showers over the coast of New South Wales and a few over the southeast, but most of the continent is warm and dry under the influence of a high pressure system. Looking at our forecast, we can see that front approaching southwest WA, giving just a few showers about the southwest coast later tonight. We also see onshore flow giving us showers along the New South Wales coast and also beginning to develop along the tropical north coast of Queensland. As we move into Saturday, those showers will continue along the tropical north coast of Queensland and also a few along the New South Wales coast. The front and the trough move across the southwest land division of Western Australia, giving a few light showers. But more importantly, we see these strong winds giving us large waves about the southwest coast, which could cause coastal erosion and make conditions hazardous for some coastal activities. As we move into Sunday, that front crosses across Western Australia and South Australia, giving showers along the south coast. We also see some continued showers along the east coast, particularly about the tropical north coast, where those showers continue between Cairns and Townsville. But as we move into Monday, this low pressure system deepens over the continent and taps into tropical moisture from the north. With a negative Indian Ocean dipole event underway and warm water to the north of the continent, we have a lot more moisture available for these sorts of weather systems, and that's giving a lot of energy to this system. So we see a broad band of showers and thunderstorms extending from eastern Northern Territory right through Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria and down into Tasmania. Now we could see thunderstorms with this system, particularly over Western Queensland, Western New South Wales and Western Victoria. Now some of these storms may become severe and could produce damaging winds, large hail and locally heavy rainfall. So if you live in this area, it's really important to stay across our warnings over the next few days. As we move into Tuesday, this high pressure system starts to move across and the front moves out over the Tasman Sea. However, the trough does linger over Queensland, continuing showers and thunderstorms over Queensland and northern New South Wales. Looking at our total forecast rainfall for the next 4 days, we can see that there's fairly moderate rainfall totals over much of the country, although we could see 100 to 150 millimetres on the tropical north coast. Now this is unlikely to cause flooding in the tropical north coast, but we could see this rainfall through Victoria and New South Wales, giving us some renewed river rises as it's falling on ground that is already saturated and in some cases already in flood. We do have flood warnings for New South Wales, particularly inland New South Wales and eastern Victoria. So even moderate rainfall in these areas is likely to give renewed river rises, and we will see more warnings issued if required. So it's really important with an evolving situation like this that you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings on our app, website and social media channels. Make sure you enable push notifications on the app so wherever you are you get the latest information for that location directly to your mobile device. Follow all advice from emergency services and please stay safe.